In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share documents on Microsoft Teams Meeting. If you're in a Teams call or meeting and you need everyone to see a file clearly, sharing the right document window is one of the easiest and most professional ways to do it. It helps keep your presentation focused, and it also prevents participants from seeing unrelated tabs, apps, or notifications on your screen. To begin, make sure you're already inside the Microsoft Teams call or meeting. Once the meeting is active, look at the meeting controls and find the share option. This is the button you'll use to present content to everyone else in the meeting. Go ahead and click share. When you do that, Teams will open the sharing panel where you can choose exactly what you want other people to see. This part is important because Microsoft Teams usually gives you several sharing choices, such as your entire screen, a browser tab, or a specific window. From that panel, click on the area labeled Choose what you want to share. This is where you decide how focused your presentation will be. If your goal is to show a single document, it's usually best not to share your whole screen unless you truly need to switch between multiple applications. Sharing only the document window keeps things cleaner and helps reduce distractions for your audience. Next, look under the Windows section and select the exact document you want to view. This means choosing the specific file window that is already open on your computer. For example, if you have a document open in Word, a PDF viewer, or another application, click that exact window so Teams shares only that file. Once selected, your document will be presented in the meeting for others to view. Before you continue speaking, it's a good idea to quickly confirm that the correct file is being shown. This helps avoid confusion and ensures participants are following the right content. A useful tip here is to open your document before the meeting starts, so it appears as an available window when you go to share. It can also help to close anything you don't need, making it easier to choose the correct file quickly. That's all it takes to share a document during a Microsoft Teams meeting. By using the share option and selecting the exact window under the Windows section, you can present your file clearly and keep your meeting organized and professional.